Hey everyone. So let's work through a design system and see how we can best optimize it for our sites. Let's click on Set up a design system. Click Create here. Then, depending on your current workflow, me personally, I just use add fonts, logos, and assets. Anything that I create from ChatGPT or usually from the client themselves, they'll give me the logo and the branding and all that good stuff. Now, it makes it easier to answer a lot of these questions because of the customer persona and all the research that I already did and that I kind of have you guys do with the customer persona, SEO analysis, and all that. That way, the Claude is already kind of trained on everything, and so it can answer these questions very easily. For example, like I asked it, help me answer this, and then I just copy and paste that. It already knows the background, right? Any other notes? So I'm gonna copy this, right? And then I'm gonna put that in here. And then I'm gonna put the assets, especially if they have brand guidelines. And let's see what it cooks up. And boom, this is what it came out with. So um, it's going to give you an initial homepage, which is great. You can take it or leave it. I actually kind of like it, but I'm going to definitely change quite a bit of it. But the point of this is that you're starting off with the right logo, typeface, font that matches their brand guidelines right out of the box. That is way better than try to reverse engineer everything and then trying to feed it references and be like, oh, that's not the right typeface. Do this typeface. So now you're starting off on the right foot, and that's way more powerful and way easier to work with. So I'll give you the prompts and everything in my free school group. So links in the description below and in the comment. I'm putting all my prompts and my code and my design references and methodology now in the free school I have free for now, and it'll be a fun time. So I hope that helps.